Right. And actually, if I could, before we read Trump's statement here, I think it's important the context that we also just got here this afternoon. And that was that there was a subpoena issued to the former president's office here this spring. That led to June 3rd, a meeting between DOJ officials, Trump's lawyers, and Trump himself, when they turned over several boxes of documents over to the Department of Justice here. And I think that is where that 2 months in between, ultimately that day when the Trump team willingly handed over documents in the search warrant execution is important, because clearly the Department of Justice determined that they did not receive all the documents they were looking for. So if we turn to the Trump statement that just came out here in the last few minutes after Attorney General Merrick Garland's press conference, quote, "My attorneys and representatives were cooperating fully and very good relationships had been established. The government could have had whatever they wanted if we had it. They asked us to put an additional lock on a certain area, done. Everything was fine, better than that of most previous presidents." He goes, "They got way ahead of themselves, crazy." Essentially, Donald Trump is making the case that they complied with the subpoena that was issued. They turned over all relevant documents. Clearly, the Department of Justice didn't believe that to be the case and issued that search warrant.
But, Vaughn, just to clarify, we do not yet have a reaction from the Trump world about whether they're going to stand in the way of the Department of Justice's attempts to unseal the warrant.
Right. I have reached out to Trump's team specifically, and another one of our colleagues has reached out to his two lawyers that are working on this case. They have not gotten back to us at this time, and we're working to read through right now the lines of that motion to unseal from the Department of Justice to better understand exactly what that timeline is on whether they'd fight it or not. But it's important. I would want to note, though, I was talking with a source familiar with the matter from Trump's side of this just yesterday, and I put out the question to them, would they turn over and show the public the warrant and the property receipt? Because they've had a copy of that since the search warrant was executed, to be very clear. And they told me that, no, we are not going to release that search warrant copy. But the argument was that because it was the burden of transparency was on the Department of Justice. So sort of essentially the Department of Justice and Merrick Garland just turned that argument on its head and said, all right, well, here we go. We're ready to be transparent.